me walk you through it. We are in the beautiful street of South Gable, east of US 1, very close to Coconut Grove. Let's go ahead and see this beautiful property.
Hi everybody and welcome to our new listing at 426 Hardee Road. It's a beautiful location, very close to UM, 1.1 miles away. It's close to everything. Finest shopping, Whole Foods, Publix, everything.
The property is just amazing. Has 11,000 square feet lot. The house is the perfect size for a family with maybe small children. Has 3 bedroom, 2.5 bath with a 2-car garage, and also a bonus room in the garage that was made to have a gym. And even though it's not a big on square footage property, it does have everything that people are looking at for. A huge master bedroom, a great walk-in closet, an amazing master bathroom, a great kitchen. So it does have all of the feature of a mansion in just a smaller size. And that's great because as I was reading the other day, post-pandemic, people are going back to smaller property with less square footage, when last year everybody was upgrading to these huge houses thinking that they would have to spend all their life enclosed. So it went under a fully renovation in 2020, including the plumbing, the electrical. They redid new bathroom, they redid the kitchen, they put beautiful floors in the living area. So it's a really impact window. It's really in move-in condition, great price, offer at $2 million. And in a great location. And the good part of this house too, we are on Hardee, on the Coral Gables side. So you're still very close to the Coconut Grove without the craziness. Gables is more organized and everything is trimmed, manicured and maintained, which a lot of people like that. So that's a great property. We hope to see you there.